Actually guys, kasi pag nabababad yung mata ko sa screen, like nabababad siya sa screen time, sumasakit, ano siya, nangangati siya, tapos namumula, and then last month, I guess, yung mata ko talaga is in, namumula siya, tapos masakit siya matamaan ng araw, so nag-research ako, I did research, and I found out, pero based on my own research lang naman siya, and then nakalagay doon is, it could be sore eyes. Hindi na siya naman sore eyes. I feel 50-50. Like, hindi siya sore eyes. Kasi, di ba kasi sore eyes, nag-start yan from kaliwa. And, gigising ka niyan, sobrang daming muta. Hindi naman ganun yung nangyari. Ano lang siya. May muta, pero may boogers. Pero hindi naman siya mukhang sore eyes. So, nagtagal siya, tapos pabalik-balik siya. Nawawala siya, tapos bumabalik. Ang hirap niya kasi, siguro, sinisisi ko talaga yung paghawak ko lagi sa mata ko. Kasi it's bad, guys. Huwag niyo mahawak. Kasi I'm hot and eye conscious. Yung gusto mo lagi malaman if wala bang dumi sa mata mo, or something like that. And ngayon, and tomorrow pala, I have an exam. It's a final exam. I feel like, I don't know if I should be kaba, pero hindi ako nakakaramdam ng kaba. Kahit alam ko finals siya, guys. Tapos super dami talaga namin inaasikaso ngayon, and yung isa naming prof na ngayon lang nagparamdam, kailan magbibigay siya ng activity. Talaga ha? Hindi talaga siya sumisipit sa mga klase, tapos ngayon na, patapos na yung sem, saka pa nagbigay ng gawain. So I don't blame her naman, but still, hello. Dapat may consideration. Okay naman, so feeling ko it's like ano din naman. Parang pang-habol, pang-hila sa grades din yun. Kaya we're always gonna look at the good side naman din. So, we're gonna get, oh my god, 7% naman. I-charge ko lang ito kung gawin charger nito. Kaya gusto ko lagi natapos lahat ng gawain bago yung malapit na yung deadline. Kasi saka natatarantan ka, saka nagka-cram, and I don't like cramming. Pero it's, the good thing about cramming is that gumagana, nagpa-function talaga yung utak mo. And yeah. So, what are we gonna do today while we're charging? So we're gonna compute here. So, iPad. Okay, we're gonna be computing because tomorrow is the exam and we should be prioritizing it. Okay. What am I gonna kwento? You know, guys, I like to say this. I would like to speak about my appreciation. And I'm so grateful, and I appreciate it, guys. Alam niyo ba yung mga videos natin na in-upload, nag-gather talaga siya ng views. Like, I don't know, pero I love it. Hey Siri. Hi Siri. Hey Siri. Ayun na. 56 na tayo, guys. 56 subscribers, and that was really cool. And sa TikTok, it's 10,900 followers. It's a fan account with over 790,000 plus likes. And then this other TikTok account, and which is main, I guess. We're already 100. It's already 100 followers with 70,000 plus likes, and I'm really happy about it. Cause none of the worth there is but you. Like ingay. Maybe nag-aaral ako ng isang music. Pero yung mga music, hindi yung nakakalungkot, hindi yung lullaby, not like that. So I guess this will be the last whole week. Kasi nga, we are really jumping into vacation. I like that. You're really shocked. And I still can't believe that now we're already 56 subscribers. And we're already 56 in the family. So, i-minus nyo na lang yung dalawang account na nakasubscribe. And, yeah. Siguro pag umuwi ako ng probinsya, doon ako mag-vlog. Tutuloy ko pa din yan, don't worry guys. I'll still update you, pero yung pag-upload natin, I don't know, kasi yung signal there is really not that good. And yung load. Kasi kapag nandun, nag-load talaga tayo, pero pag nandito, may wifi naman kasi. Probinsya kasi, feel like kasi I need that rest. Kasi province life is really different from city life. Oh my god, wait.